welcome to Rhinofeed. Today I'm going to unbox the Insignia Universal Lapel microphone. So this is distributed exclusively by Best Buy. It's got a supposedly high quality microphone capsule, which I will of course give you sound samples. It gives you some adapters and the option to switch between powered or passive mode. And it has a 20-foot cable, a windscreen clip, included battery, which is very nice. Usually they don't include batteries. A 1/4-inch adapter, a GoPro adapter, a storage pouch, and a user guide, which is kind of like a fake leather material. And on the inside, it's like a canvas material. Actually pretty nice. Here's all of your adapters. You got a 3.5mm to USB, micro USB, which is interesting. You've got your 1/4-inch to 3.5mm. You've got your small little foam windscreen, your clip, I'm going to see if this is actually a decent value, because for $50 there are cheaper options out there, especially in the wired microphone game. Here's your battery. But I was almost going to pick up a microphone, external microphone like the Rode VideoMic Pro for my camera, but this is $50 instead of $150, and you might actually end up getting better quality in that regard if all you want to do is get your voice. So very long cable, but it is a thin cable. Gold plated if that really matters. Your microphone itself. This has a clip on it as well. It's got your on-off switch. Actually, it switches between camera and smartphone. Yeah, it looks like you just untwist this. Maybe. Yeah, here we go. And then you put your battery in there. Plus side facing up. And let's give it a try. Alright, so this will be my indoor sample of the Insignia lapel microphone. I'm just in my car right now, obviously, and I will just talk randomly, talk. I'm going to actually say a nursery rhyme here from Mother Goose. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper... Dang it, I messed it up at the very end. Such a challenging nursery rhyme to actually say. But you should get the idea now. I'm going to just go outside. The wind is about 8 miles per hour right now. So hopefully this little foam windscreen, I've got it just attached at the bottom of my shirt here. Hopefully it'll block out the wind enough to give you an idea. So yeah, I'm just gonna go outside. Right now the levels are auto. That is bright. Let me turn that down. So right now the levels are auto through the Canon 80D input, and apart from that, there's not much else to say about it. Just gonna walk out here in the grass. Right now the breeze is not as strong as it was before. I don't really have anything else to say, but it is a beautiful day out today. Sunday afternoon at the park, out in the sun. Man, the sun is quite bright. Actually, I should walk backwards so then you can see the wonderful landscape. Yeah, it's just grass and trees and whatnot, but it is a very nice day. It's really not a strong enough wind to give you an idea. I was hoping for something more than this. Oh man. In any case, I forgot to mention that this does not require the battery in the microphone to work with the smartphone, so you can flip the switch off to use it with a smartphone, and you flip it on to use it with a camera. So this microphone works with cameras and smartphones. I failed to mention that earlier. Oh, here we go. The wind picked up a little bit. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So hopefully that sounds good. Hopefully it doesn't get all that wind noise. And also note, this camera has a wind filter built in, but I have that disabled, so you're only getting the microphone right now. Anyway guys, that should give you a good enough idea of what this microphone is capable of. I would say it's not the best microphone in the world. If you also want to listen to more of how it sounds, you can go to my previous video, which was my 2016 setup tour. That whole tour was recorded with this microphone, so I did edit some of the throat noises out because I feel like lapel microphones get a lot of throat noise, and I didn't really like that in my video. So this video I'm not going to edit at all, but in that video I did edit the audio a tad bit because it's getting that throat noise, which I don't like. In any case, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and as always, please rate, comment, and subscribe.